Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm DEMIYA. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I do my natural like 5 to 10 minute face. I'm not gonna say 5 minutes, my 10-minute face. So if you wanna see how I do a light beat, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna moisturize with this dark spot correcting cream from Pond's. I like using Pond's, any of their creams, because they're so lightweight, they smell good, and they don't break my skin out. They won't clog your pores. I'm gonna prime with this Master Prime by Face Studio. Chestnut by LA Pro Girl. Believe it or not, I'm done with my eyes. I am gonna put on bottom liner. I like to use Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in 360 Mocha, and I just dab into my skin. I feel like wearing powder in the summer, it's just like so much better. You don't have to worry about your face like melting off. You're still gonna get oily, but it's not gonna be as bad. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I'm satisfied with the coverage. This is my favorite part about doing my makeup, putting on blush, because I just like how it makes me look really flushed and like I look real flirty and cute. I like it. If y'all don't wear blush, you should start. In high school, I used to wear blush without nothing on my face. Like I would just put on blush and lip gloss and eyeliner. Across my nose, forehead, chin. I haven't really been into highlighting lately. Like, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I don't do much to them. literally already brushed out from earlier. I'm just gonna take this angle brush and go in with, I think I'm gonna do leader. Yeah. Okay. If y'all like my bracelet, this one with the butterflies on it, it's from the Simple Girl Co. I'm gonna add them on the screen so y'all can go follow them. This is my favorite lip gloss by MAC. It's See-Thru. And your girl is done. I feel really fresh faced, you know? Now let me try to get some thumbnails.